Yo, let's go! Fright Funk is a crazy fast and hard emote just in time for Halloween. I figured this would be a perfect time to do an emote like this. So welcome back, guys. My name is Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. So that's what you're going to learn today, the Fortnite Emote Fright Funk in our new Fortnite Emote tutorial series. But before we get started, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, okay? That way you guys get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I live stream a free hip-hop dance class at 4:30 p.m. Pacific time. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below for my Twitch channel. Join us there for that class. All right, you guys ready to learn Fright Funk? Let's hit it. Okay, so this is how we're gonna break down Fright Funk for you guys. And again, it's super, super fast. So what I would do is I would learn each step and then do it slow a whole bunch of times. And then once you feel like you can remember it and you don't need me in the video, just keep doing it faster and faster. Add more speed to it until you can get to a point where you can actually do it with the music. But here we go. These are the first couple steps of how we break this down. So you're gonna kind of prep yourself on one and two and three. Then you're gonna flip your arms out like this. They're gonna come in, and they're gonna go out. That's what your arms are gonna do. Your legs are gonna do this. You're gonna be here, you're gonna go out on your toes, then you're gonna bring it in, then you're gonna cross your right foot in front. So if we put all that together, it's gonna look like this. 7, 8, you have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. If I face the front, and I reverse it, it looks like this. 7, 8. You go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? So if you need to, pause and rewind, go back, do that a whole bunch of times, and break that down for yourself, okay? I'm gonna move on. So after we come in here like this, then what's gonna happen, you're gonna bring your arms in this way. So we're gonna come in this way, and then you're going to lift your leg out kind of like this, and you're gonna step here forward. So after we go here, 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 this goes boom, 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 boom. So all you're doing is crossing your feet forward as you do that. So once again, from here, boom, 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 boom. Take that from the top. It's going to look like this. 7, 8. You have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Woo! She's quick. I know. So pause the video if you need to. Go back, rewind that, do that a couple of more times. We're going to move on to your next little section. It's going to look like this. Okay, so we just went 8 and. You have another little prep on 1 before you do this step. So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3, okay? So if I reverse it and I face you guys, essentially you're here like this. You're just gonna go push your arms this way, boom, push your arms this way, boom, okay? It's that simple with your hands. Now your feet, you're gonna kind of jump away from it. So you're gonna jump away, okay? So think about jumping on one leg for a second, okay? So if I'm here like this, I'm gonna jump onto that leg, I'm gonna come back to center, I'm gonna jump onto that leg, come back to center. Now what you do is you kind of keep both feet on the ground, and you just kind of slide that foot out, so it's like, okay? And you wanna push away like that, push away like that. Okay, so moving on to the next section, it looks like this. You just went 8 and, you're gonna come and prep yourself down on 1 to go here, then you're gonna go out this way. Then when you bring your legs back in, you're gonna bring your arms down to the lefts of your shoulder. You're gonna make a full circle, and then you're gonna come down and you're gonna push out that way again, okay? So you got 3 of those little pushes, okay? It's gonna look like this. You're gonna go 1 and 2 and circle, hit, and, okay? One more time, it looks like this. 7, 8, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When you come back in on 4 and, you're gonna step forward, and it's gonna look like this. So you go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You're gonna kind of step forward a little bit, and left foot, okay? So you just bring your feet in together just for a second before you step forward. So once again, it looks like this. 7, 8. You go 1 and 2 and 3, go 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Now, to give you an idea of what that was like, once you're kind of out here like this, you're gonna bring your legs together in to step on your left foot. You're gonna go left, cross it, right, step back, right, to go heel, together. So your heels just go out like this, and then you come together, boom, just like that. Okay, let's put that together from the top. It's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and. Okay, so that is Fright Funk kind of broken down step by step. So here we go, let's do it with music and the skin right now. 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go, there's Fright Funk. I hope you guys had a good time doing that emote. If there's any other emote tutorials you want me to do, comment down below. We will put them on the list and I will check them all out. Hope you guys have an awesome, amazing, and safe Halloween. And as always, hashtag keep dancing. We'll see you guys next week. Peace.